Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting reliable data and a tool that matches your skills. Connect to an API key or import CSV. Use a small sample to validate fields. Map symbols, timestamps, and price columns first so formulas behave predictably. Once done, create a live query or auto-refresh schedule to pull recent quotes. Make sure to standardize time zones and decimal formats so later charts align without manual fixes. You now transform raw prices into analysis-ready datasets, normalize for splits and dividends, and convert timestamps to one time zone. Compute rolling metrics like 20-day SMA, day change percentage, and cumulative return columns so visuals are reactive. Link symbol metadata to price records for filtering and group aggregation. Once built, set refresh dependencies so metrics update after raw data loads, and verify calculations with a spot check of known tickers. You arrange visuals for quick decisions, an intraday line, a heat map for movers, and a compact watch list with percent change and alerts. Implement filters for sectors and time ranges. Use consistent colors for gains versus losses. Once complete, automate backups and alerting for stale data. If charts break or data gaps appear, check API rate limits first, then verify mapping and time zone logic. A single retry and caching layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.